Morning, everybody. Day 295 of Walk It Off with Kanye. So today I got my friend, and colleague Zamabomvu. We are with her on Shaga Zulu, and we've gotten so close, man. This is like my little sis now. What up, Z? Coach is here, baby. Day 295 of Walk It Off with Kanye. So it's day one to him always.
Hello, everyone. Welcome. This is what most people were saying after Nkanyiso Bhengu, a South African singer from Joy Celebration, TV presenter and the actor who first rose to fame after auditioning for the SABC 3 reality competition Popstar in 2002. We also seen him on Home Affairs, Nomzamo, The Queen, The River, and many more. Nkanyiso was well known as a big guy who was not ashamed with his weight, but later Nkanyiso decided that he needed a body transformation and worked very hard to achieve that. It's been about 2 years and the difference doesn't need scope to be seen, guys. He recently shared snaps of his weight loss journey, and tweets couldn't be more proud, not because there was anything wrong with him before, but because they understand what losing weight means to him. Nkanyiso said he always been big but could manage his weight. However, he also added that as he grows older, his weight proved to be a bit problematic, and that's why he decided to start this journey. Encouraging his followers, he said they must not stop until they see the results. As you are planning to do the same, I wish you all the best. That's all I have for today. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion.